Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to get to see my girls rip the 2023 CFMOTO CFORCE 110s. You will notice that they are on the rev limiter a lot because this was the last day that they are in the low speed mode. But you're going to get to see just some raw action of them ripping around in the backyard. They got a race coming up soon, and we're going to be training for that. You ain't going to want to miss that, so stay tuned for that. But until then, enjoy this video. All right, girls, we're going to end the video. Did y'all have fun?
Yeah.
All right. You love your CFMOTOs?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, well, hey, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. So I hope y'all enjoyed seeing the C-Force 110s in action. Listen, you can come to Main Street Cycle and get one of your youth or kids one of these units. We got the blue and the red here in stock. Remember, they do have different drive modes, and in this particular video, my girls were in the low speed setting. You can use your phone with the CFMOTO Youth Ride app and this Bluetooth device and change it. You can set a perimeter to where they cannot go beyond a certain point from wherever this Bluetooth controller is at with your phone, which is a really cool safety feature. Also, again, the low speed mode keeps it where it's limited at like 13 or 14 miles per hour. And then you can flip that and it goes 27 or 28 miles an hour. It just raises the RPM limit. So that's what we're about to do now on my girls' bikes, because they're ready to start learning some throttle control. They have a race coming up at a local motocross track, and I'm going to video that. You're not going to want to miss that. Also, remember, here at Main Street Cycle, and we do have motorcycles, but we also have riding gear. You can come in the store, order that. We've got boots, we've got helmets, we've got a few different things for you. So anyways, yeah, come see us. God bless you. As always, remember to keep it real. We'll see you in the next one.